Welcome back to Quiz Time Brain Boosters. Today we are exploring Guess the Fruit image quiz. Identify this fruit. The correct answer is apple. Identify this fruit. The correct answer is apricot. Identify this fruit. The correct answer is avocado. Identify this fruit. The correct answer is blackberry. Identify this fruit. The correct answer is blueberry. Wow, you've reached 5 questions. Here is a badge for your great effort. Keep it up. Identify this fruit. The correct answer is mango. Identify this fruit. The correct answer is plum. Identify this fruit. The correct answer is fig. Identify this fruit. The correct answer is gooseberry. Identify this fruit. The correct answer is pomegranate. Wow, you've reached 10 questions. Here's a badge for your great effort. Keep it up. Identify this fruit. The correct answer is strawberry. Identify this fruit. The correct answer is tomato. Identify this fruit. The correct answer is blackcurrant. Identify this fruit. The correct answer is grapefruit. Identify this fruit. The correct answer is pineapple. Wow, you've reached 15 questions. Here's a badge for your great effort. Keep it up. Identify this fruit. The correct answer is guava. Identify this fruit. The correct answer is cherry. Identify this fruit. The correct answer is lemon. Identify this fruit. The correct answer is raspberry. Identify this fruit. The correct answer is tamarind. Wow, you've reached 20 questions. Here is a badge for your great effort. Keep it up. Identify this fruit. The correct answer is lychee. Identify this fruit. The correct answer is red currant. Identify this fruit. The correct answer is papaya. Identify this fruit. The correct answer is juju. Identify this fruit. The correct answer is jackfruit. Quote for the day: Education is not the learning of facts, but the training of the mind to think. By Albert Einstein. Fantastic. Are you a trivia master? Drop your results in the comments. Thank you so much for playing. Stay curious. Please like and subscribe.